In the previous video, we added dynamic filters that let dashboard users filter work by assignee, priority, and status. Now, let's make the dashboard easier to use by adding a smart filter. In this example, we'll group our technical communication team members into pods, allowing each team to quickly filter the dashboard and only display their work. Open the Technical Communications Rich filter. Select the Smart Filters tab, and then click Create Smart Filter. Name this one Pod. We don't need the AND operator for this example, so I'll leave that option disabled. Click Create and add a few Smart Filter clauses. Click Create Smart Clause. Enter Alpha as the name and add this JQL, assignee in open parentheses. Then select the first user from the autocomplete list. Notice that Jira automatically replaces the username with the Atlassian account ID. In this example, there are 2 users in the alpha pod. After adding the second user, enter a check mark in the Create Another checkbox and click Create. Now, build out the second pod, Beta. Click Create. Our third pod is based on the type of documentation work being completed. Click Create and name the pod Platform. The JQL is Labels equal Documentation. Notice that our first 2 smart filters are based on assignees, while the third is based on a label. Smart filters aren't limited to a single Jira field. They're simply reusable JQL conditions that represent how your team organizes its work. We've now created 3 smart filters that reflect how our team is organized. Uncheck the Create Another option and then click Create. Now, return to the Technical Communications dashboard. Notice we have a new Smart Filter dropdown, Pod, in the Rich Filter controller. Select the Alpha, Beta, or Platform pod to quickly filter the dashboard by the TechComms team responsible for the work. The Results gadget updates immediately. Instead of selecting multiple assignees every time, dashboard users simply select their pod. That's what makes smart filters different. Dynamic filters expose individual Jira field values. Smart filters let you define meaningful categories using your own JQL conditions. In the next video, we'll continue building our dashboard by adding rich filter counters and gauges to visualize important metrics at a glance.